LED in that motherfucker, I'd love it.
Huh?
Put an LED in there?
Yeah.
Love it.
Everything's going LED. Oh, fuck. Yeah, the brakes are crunchy. Got them crunchy brakes. You get to see my new headlights too.
I can't believe I'm driving this motherfucker. Oh, you got 200K on her now.
Yep. I just hit 200,000 miles the other day. Lights. There you go. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having a great day. Now today we are finally going to be fixing Beep's brakes, or just the one side for today. We are going to be replacing the steering knuckle because the hole for the bolt for the caliper, the bolt snapped off inside it, and then I tried to drill it out and I drilled it out too big and too far off, so we need a new one because my brake grinds every time I brake because the caliper is pushing out into the wheel. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today.
Yeah, and then I gotta deal with your fucked up lug nuts over here.
Yeah, it's only one.
Oh, one?
Yeah. It's this one. Huh? 21.
21?
Oh, is it that one? Yeah, it's that one.
Oh boy.
So it is just one. All the dust that just came out of your socket.
What's all your dirt when you're fucking 4x4,
Yeah.
4-wheel driving?
There we go. See? Real mechanic shit right here. He knows what he's doing. Get new ones anyway. Oh yeah. That's a little fucky.
Everything's fucking hot.
The whole front end needs to be redone. I'm telling you that right now.
Has bolts in.
Nope. I only have one bolt too. I need to run over to Advance when you're done to get another bolt.
Damn, hold this.
Yeah, well, it's grinding on my wheel. I left my phone up there.
That's alright.
How am I supposed to social media without my phone? You got a Roku up in this bitch? What's this for?
My TV?
Oh. For one motherfucking TV, man.
That's been gone.
Yeah, dust shield gone.
Wheel bearing.
Yeah.
You feel how crunchy it is?
Yeah.
You hear the noise?
Yeah.
Bad wheel bearing.
She was fucking squealing. What are you doing? You wanna whack it? Hit it with your purse.
The what?
With your purse.
My purse?
Yeah.
Good. That's fine.
losing bolts now.
Why are you losing all the bolts?
Fucking no. Not right.
Oh, I was gonna
Probably
say.
fell when I raped the knuckle ball.
Yeah. That's when the washer flew all the way over there.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. See you.
It's like 18.
Yeah.
I had that stuff.
Eh?
Ah,
You yell at me for being disorganized.
look, it's organized. I'm just rushing.
It's a big ass breaker bar.
We only got 20 minutes left, so you should probably go as soon as I get this done.
Alright, so I just walked all the way to Advanced Auto, and they didn't even have the bolt that I went for, but they did have another stud and another lug nut, so I will have all 5 instead of just the 4, but Jason's looking for, see if he has a matching bolt down here.
Might just have to use this Allen one. I'm just hoping that it's, even if we have to put a washer on it. I just don't want it to keep doing the same fucking thing. I don't know why you didn't get another one, you motherfucker.
Well, I was going to, and then, I don't know. I just didn't. Because I had the 2 and I was saving those 2 just for when I got the new knuckle in, but then the bolt fell out and it was just sitting there. And then I put the other one that came in that set, and then that one fell out. And I was like, oh fuck.
Yeah, I was like, what?
You know, I always gotta make your life harder.
Yeah, no, you never come prepared.
I try. I'm trying. Trying my best, okay? What is that?
Nah, it helps just pull the lug nut.
Oh.
Holy shit. You might need calipers too. It's at both of them. But that might also be your U-joint.
Oh my god.
Yeah. It probably just overheated the caliper from being like that.
Then expanded.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should probably get new front brakes.
Oh, I feel like it's getting worse. Alright, drop it down.
Nice and gentle.
Man, don't go any faster.
Imagine you could just completely just drop it. That'd be great. Oh, I see it. The Cummins Cam and the Jeep.
Yeah, what is in here?
Yeah. Oh, Ripperooski. I think this is the first time I've ever ridden passenger in this. Weird.
That's a weird vibe.
It is a weird vibe. That's all my brethren.
Definitely needs wheel bearings.
Yeah, does it brakes though, right?
Oops.
There goes the cam. Too much torque. Oh, there's your truck. Thought I recognized it. What the fuck are you doing?
Move it so I don't move no more.
Hair squeal.
That's that side, right?
Yeah. Yeah. She's squealing just a little bit.
Yeah, you gotta start fixing it.
What is that supposed to mean?
It seems like you got so much more work to do.
No. No hands.
Yeah, brakes are pretty good.
Yeah.
It's not falling on one side or the other.
Said it is or it isn't?
It isn't.
Oh.
You hit the brakes and it stays straight.
That's good. Definitely isn't sketchy. Brakes do work. Alright, so we got the new front steering knuckle on, got the caliper bolted in. It brakes pretty well for only having front brakes right now and having a bunch of mismatched shit. I'm eventually going to have to do like a full overhaul and rebuilding the front axle because now my my wheel bearings are like locking up when I go full left-hand turn. So we need that. I need new U-joints along with a bunch of other shit. And I have a noise coming from the back. I need to do new rear brakes anyway. I'll probably get a full power stop kit because those are relatively cheap for what you get and they're pretty high quality. But right now we're going to be heading back over to Jason's place because we're going to finish installing some speakers I got, which are these right here. So figured I'd throw that in the end of the video because this video is probably going to be pretty short anyway. And yeah, so see if we can get a little cold start on his Cummins. You want to do a little cold start? You want to do a little cold start?
Yeah, I guess so.
Shit's loud as fuck. Oh, my show is loud. Yeah. Your shit's so loud. I thought my shit was loud and then I heard yours and I'm like, mine's not that bad. Yeah. Huh? Alright, I'll stop at AutoZone and then I'll meet you at your house. Alright, so we made it to Jason's house, and I'm going to be taking this door card off first because my window is not rolling up and I think it's about to rain pretty soon. So I need to see if I can fix that along with actually bolt my speakers in because they're just plugged in as of right now. And then on the other side we gotta do the same exact thing. It came with hardware, but I also have a bunch of miscellaneous screws in my center console and one of those should probably work. My window won't go up.
Yeah, you need a new regulator.
Yeah, I told you about that.
I heard the crunchy when it was rolling it down.
Yeah. I need to take the door card off.
They're in there, bud.
Yeah, they were. Again, speaker just fell out. Do you have something I can like prop this shit open with? Something I can like shove in there? Do I have something I can just shove in there? I don't think so. I don't want to break this, I just bought it. Shit was expensive. The door just makes that noise. I don't want to risk it. I don't want to risk it for the biscuit. You want to be in Aladdin, hold the door open. Oh boy. Alright, so got this one in. It came with some self-tapping screws and those fit perfectly in there and it's in there pretty good. It's not going nowhere, but I realized I didn't even film putting it in because like I said, I'm kind of lacking today. So I do have a tripod in beep at all times. Let's see, where is she? Of course it's on the other side, but I got a tripod, so I'm gonna set you guys up on a tripod so you guys can watch me get the other one in because, you know, content creation, that's what we're trying to do here. But, you know, your boy's not too good at it. So we got the speakers in both the doors. We got this door card back on. Door skin. It's waning. It's a little wet out here, so I'm gonna put the camo away. But you still do need. Oh, it's fucking pouring now. We need to get this one back on.
I'm getting inside.
Oh, you little bitch. But we need to get this one back on, and then we good.
Just throw it in the car.
I mean, yeah. I mean, fuck it. Get in there, bitch. Oh shit, my door. Thank you. It's like a bunch of parts back there. See if I can just real quick.
I like the tripod. It's pretty cool.
Thank you. Yeah, screwdriver up my ass. Alright guys, it is the next day and we ended up getting the speakers in. Both of them are in along with both of my door cards. And I kind of just stopped filming because we went over to another friend's house and we had a bonfire and we went and got dinner and wasn't really anything to film, but both door cards are in, as you can see. And we got both speakers in, they both work really well. I will link everything, like all the products or like parts or anything that I put onto Beep, I will always link in the description down below. So if you guys want to try it out yourself, you can. I just washed Beep, like half-assed washed Beep. I just got a lot of the mud off because I'm bored. You can see where I was trying to pressure wash off the tires. I need to get like chemicals and brushes and stock up on like detailing car wash stuff because I don't really have any of that. And that's something that I do want to get into, is actually cleaning out my cars, because once I get another actual nice car on the channel, I do want to be able to detail it. This one not so much because it's an off-roader, so it's always muddy and covered in dirt, and I can show you right now, even the inside of it is covered in mud. So there's a bug. So it's not really worth putting all the time, money, and effort into detailing it all the time, but I do want to get into car detailing and yada yada. But I am going to be ending this video off here because I don't really have anything else to film. And yeah, this is kind of an awkward video because I didn't really plan too much ahead of time, and it's just a bunch of random stuff put together, but I guess that really is all automotive vlogging is. I need to start another video today too about some other random stuff that we're going to be doing, but I don't want to throw that into this video because it's going to get too random, too many random different little things, and I feel like it won't be as interesting. But that is where I am going to be ending off today's video. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Peace.